Hello, I am Sora. I can assist you with a variety of tasks. Would you like to learn more about Sora's capabilities, schedule a live demo, or explore use cases for your industry? Let me know what you'd like to explore, and we can get started.
Hi. I would like to know all about Sora.
Sure! Sora is a tool for creating and editing videos. You can generate videos of up to 20 seconds in different resolutions. It has features like remixing existing videos, a storyboard tool, and a community library for sharing content. What specific aspect are you most interested in?
I would like to know how Sora can help in marketing, education, diagnostics, healthcare, fashion, and different industries.
Sora can enhance marketing by creating engaging promotional videos. In education, it helps make learning materials more dynamic. For diagnostics and healthcare, it can visualize complex data simply. It allows for creative showcases of designs. Which industry do you want to hear more about?
Yes, to understand it better, I would like to schedule a live demo to understand how Sora works.
That sounds great. Could you please share your full name, contact number, and your preferred time for the demo?
My name is Daniel. My number is 987-654-3210, 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Thank you, Daniel. My number is 987-654-3210. Let me check the availability for tomorrow at 3 p.m. Please hold on.
Okay, I am waiting.
Thank you for your patience, Daniel. Your demo is confirmed for tomorrow at 3 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation SMS shortly. Do you need anything else?
No, Alen Datashe, that's all for now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Daniel. Thank you for scheduling a demo with Sora. Have a great day. Goodbye.